pursuant to the provisions of Standing Order 120, this House resolves to reduce the publication period of the Value Added Tax Amendment Bill, National Assembly Bill number 21 of 2026, from 7 days to 6 days. Honorable Speaker and honorable members of this House, we have an opportunity to get into the space and ensure that we offload the load that is on our Kenyans, especially on the fuel. And therefore, instead of waiting for 7 days to do publication, we would like to reduce the 7 days by 6 days and ensure that we do this urgently, because it's an urgent matter, and we pass this bill, we go through it, and I want to request that we approve the procedural motion to reduce the publication period of this specified bill, Honorable Speaker.